Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Facts Factory. I hope you all doing well. So today we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating topic, multi-dimensions in the universe. Dimensions, Yeah, you heard that right, not of that maths, but the real quantum physics thing, and more likely what's described in ancient Hindu texts. The idea of extra dimensions is not new. In fact, it's been around for over a century. But it wasn't until the last few decades that physicists started seriously considering the possibility. According to some theories, there could be up to 11 dimensions in the universe. So the big question that an average person mind would raise is, what is the meaning of dimension? Did you know that there are more dimensions in space than just length, width, and height? Yeah, it's true. Scientists believe that there could be even more dimensions, but they're so tiny that we can't see them. Think of it like a piece of paper. At first, it's just flat with two dimensions, length and width. But if you fold it up, you introduce a third dimension, height. Cool, right? Well, in the same way, scientists believe that there could be even more dimensions that are folded up and hidden away. Most importantly, why do scientists think that there could be more dimensions? Well, some theories of physics, such as string theory, require more than 3 dimensions to be consistent with our observations of the universe. In string theory, particles are not just point-like objects, but rather tiny strings that vibrate in extra dimensions. But let's bring it back to our three-dimensional world for a second. Think of it like this: we can see the length, width, and height of an object, but we can't see what's inside. Similarly, there could be extra dimensions beyond what we can observe in our everyday lives, but they're hidden away from us. Okay. So I think the basic outline and idea must be clear to you about what dimensions. So now we should further proceed and dive into deep knowing about time. Fourth dimension, that is time. Have you ever heard of time being called the fourth dimension? It's because time is a fundamental part of our understanding of the world around us, just like length, width, and height. In fact, time is really important for understanding how things move and change. Just like how you can move up and down, left and right, and forward and backward in space, you can also move through time. Scientists have even come up with a way to combine space and time into a single concept called spacetime. It's like a map that shows where something is in both space and time. This idea has helped us understand a lot about how the universe works, and it's used in things like GPS navigation to help us find our way. The most famous and theory that support the concept of multi-dimension is string theory. Basically, string theory suggests that the universe is made up of tiny, one-dimensional strings that vibrate in many dimensions beyond our three-dimensional world. What's really exciting about string theory is that it has the potential to unify all 4 fundamental forces of nature: gravity, electromagnetism, the weak nuclear force, and the strong nuclear force, into a single, elegant framework. This could help us unlock some of the deepest mysteries of the universe. So now let's step into the world of Hindu mythology and explore the concept of multi-dimensions. In Hinduism, the universe is often described as having multiple planes of existence, known as lokas or worlds. However, there are also other planes that are said to exist beyond our physical world, including higher spiritual realms and lower realms of suffering. In Hinduism, these different planes of existence are thought to be connected by a cosmic tree known as the Ashvatha tree, which has roots in the lower realms and branches that extend into the higher realms. The Bhagavad Gita, one of the most revered texts in Hinduism, also explores the concept of multi-dimensions. These dimensions, known as lokas, range from the earthly plane where we reside in our physical bodies to the spiritual plane of Brahmaloka, the abode of the gods. Here's a short story texted in Hindu text that has description of multi-dimension. There is a story in the Bhagavata Purana about an encounter between Lord Krishna and Lord Brahma that teaches the lesson of multi-dimensions. In the story, Brahma, the creator of the universe, steals Krishna's cowherd friends and calves, hiding them away in another dimension. When Krishna realizes what has happened, he decides to teach Brahma a lesson. Krishna creates an illusionary world identical to the physical world, complete with identical copies of his friends and calves. When Brahma finally realizes what has happened and returns to the physical world, he is surprised to find that the cowherd boys and calves he had taken were still with Krishna. Through this encounter, Lord Krishna teaches Brahma and us the lesson that the universe is not limited to just the physical plane of existence. There are multiple dimensions and realms beyond what we can see with our physical senses. This story serves as a reminder that there is more to the universe than what meets the eye. It encourages us to explore and expand our understanding of reality, embracing the idea of multi-dimensions and the infinite possibilities they hold. So there you have it, the fascinating world of multi-dimensions. From the theories of modern physics to ancient religious texts, multi-dimensions have captured the imagination of people for centuries. Whether you believe in the existence of parallel universes, other dimensions, or the spiritual planes of existence described in the Bhagavad Gita, one thing is clear: the universe is full of mystery and wonder. As we continue to explore and expand our understanding of the world around us, let us keep an open mind to the infinite possibilities that multi-dimensions hold. Who knows what other wonders await us just beyond the limits of our physical senses? So go forth, explore, and let the wonders of multi-dimensions inspire and intrigue you.